The protest was supposed to start at 10 o'clock. क्या लेट हो गया आप लोग आज? तुरंत से नोटिफिकेशन लेके आ जाओ जो सुना है जल्दी लेके
one notification which restricts the entry of heavy trucks in and around Pura from 7 AM to 11 AM and from 1 AM to 4 PM.
देखो guys, first before talking about law, should have taken the permission to sit here. Have you taken the permission? No. Then how can you do that without permission? You are doing an illegal act right now.
We are expressing our democratic assent.
You cannot express democratic right on my head. I also have a right. The officer has a right.
No, but you have to get a district, so
I agree. For that, you have to take an official permission from the office. Okay? But do not do it anyway.
now we are very much concerned about the ongoing situation.
So you will do an illegal act to justify another illegal act?
We are not illegal, sir.
Legality of this act is only confined to the time we give permission. Once you have given the permission, then this would have been a legal act. You should have given information, taken a permission. The information has come only around 11:30 today. When he has come to meet me. वो भी ऐसा है कि हम बुलाया है प्रीतम को खुद कॉल करके कि भाई आओ मिलने, क्या चल रहा है?
So we have already given this on this month, right? Accident that justice action will not supposed to happen.
I agree, but
So we sounds like it's mistake or
nobody mistake. In this case, the person who has gotten injured.
from the it will not supposed to happen, right? Justice incident.
was not supposed to happen.
Life is not a joke, sir. You should know that. Life is not a joke.
Do you think we take it as a joke?
No. So this is take it seriously, no? This is take seriously, no? Since we have submitted the
Your submission of letter doesn't make it into a law.
but
Whenever you submit something,
but the district administrator made immediate to a letter then yesterday's decision
let's please understand few things. One, accidents are tragic incidents that don't happen by plan. They happen.
But the district administration
Just said your point. Now listen as well. First, accidents happen as a tragic incident. You don't plan for it. Neither do you plan to happen in a Yes, this is an avoidable situation.
But why only these numbers?
Listen first. I just said. When you gave the representation on 22nd, when we prepare an order, the representation by you does not make it automatically into an actionable agenda point for us. First, we'll have to see what are the legal positions of this. We have written here the previous orders which were issued. We had to look at what were the previous orders, under what circumstances were they issued. We had to obviously find them out, then look at the situation of the dumper trucks who are moving around. Obviously, the accident is a tragic incident. In no way will that be justified by anyone. But those dumper trucks who are also moving or the tipper trucks who are moving have an economic value to the Garo's economy itself. So while we take a decision on this, we have to take multiple things into account as district administration. Second, whatever we issue, it does not limit us to the Tura town area. This then goes out from Tura town area as well, which is entire Garo, entire West Garo. So, in order to do that, we have to take into consideration multiple agencies and take law position as well, legal position. Based on that, the order I had already informed that by this weekend we will review this order. The order is now ready. My recommendation. This is the prepared order. We just signed it in the morning when he came in, and that is the reason I called you over. You should come, check the order. If you are dissatisfied, then let me know. We would have given you official permission to protest it. Right? This is the official order, and you can go through. In this official order, you will see the restriction of the vehicles have been put in. All the vehicles that are above 9 metric tons will not be allowed in the Tura town, even during the night period. All the vehicles that are of light and medium carriage, between 2.5 to 9 tons, will be allowed only at night, between 9 PM to 6 PM. Okay. weight and speed limits have been asked to be assigned. There will be 3 different checkpoints in the Tura town area for areas leading towards southwest Garhwal, towards south Garhwal and towards north Garhwal. Traffic rules have been put in. Provisions of implementation against the drunk driving has been put in. Suspension and revocation of driving license in times of violations have been put in. Safety standards is detected